umhlaba wakamoya is more real than umhlaba wenyama. Mawuzongena engozini yemoto iqala idraftwe, idwetshwe, isketchwe kwelikamoya ukuthi kumele kufail ibrake. Yabo umhlaba wamo unamandla kanjani ukwazi ukutemperature nebrake yemoto ekhandwa egarage, but umhlaba kamoya usuperior. Bese kuyasho ukuthi exactly ngo-11:10 mele itruck iliphaphalaza, iyadraftwa leyo nto. Wena ngapha you can hardly say baba wethu usezulwini, kodwa indaba uyixoxa uze uyosithela eDandi. You can hardly say uJehova umalusi wami, but inkinga zabantu ngendlela oyithanda ngayo nama solution kuze kuvama umusa. Ingakho ke uzovakashelwa bazalwane, akhona ama events okungamela kufikele empilweni yakho, okumele ethe sa draftwa uNkulunkulu azokutshela buka isketch against you, so rise up. Angisho ngosami uthi makwenzekile wangena engozini ngoba ngempela kukhona uNkulunkulu azokudedela just to teach you a lesson or to teach you something. But akhona ama event alethwa ukuthi you are so relaxed and ignorant. So mele wazi ukuthi mangena embhedeni ngilala, khani uyophila ireality yangempela, hayi le fake oyiphila la yasenye. La enyameni ifake le. Ingakho isazophela inyamalala. Lapho siyakhona bakhona odokotela bazalwane, namanesi, namalawyer, namaphoyisa, oprofessor, kukhona bazalwane. Angipolitiki kodwa bengathi mina emhlabeni eminye imisebenzi esingathi ayona ifake ukusebenzela inkosi, ngoba utoucha eternity, utoucha reality. That is why ngibona umuntu osabuka umfundisi noma inceka kaNkulunkulu ayibhekele phansi mele wazi ukuthi utakalanisa isami lo, because umsebenzi okudonsa abantu from the fake world to the real world, which is a spirit, it's iwona umsebenzi wangempela. Uma kungathiwa umhlaba for us not against us, ngabe thina abafundisi esirich ngesalary undlula wonke umuntu, because we touch eternity. So mele wazi bawungena embhedeni ulala uyongena kuyi-reality yangempela. Iy'ngozi ziyenzeka abantu belele. Fana nani moya ongcwele wayi manje? Kufana nani? Fana nokuthi uthi uyavuka nje uze ukuthi udomorozekile, ungazizwa noma ikhanda lila ehlombe, unyawo lusesiswini, uze ukuthi iorientation yakhe ilahlekile. Mele wazi ukuthi bekubhizi while you are sleeping. Fana nje uthatha umuntu yazi ngiyaphupha kodwa mangivuka ekuseni angisakhumbuli, isabe leyo nto, very dangerous. Wena kunezinto ezideep otshelwa zona ngempilo yakho, but the traffickers of information in the spirit afika intshontshe. Lelo phupho kubiza ukuthi uyomcinga uNkulunkulu ukuze aphinda libuyise, balisuke lithathiwe, hayi ukuthi ulikhohliwe, liyaphucwa kuwe, liyathathwa. Ngoba iphupho elivela enkosini liwukhiye wokuvula umnyango othize. So ke uthi unika ukhiye, uthi uyavuka ekuseni uthathiwe ukhiye yazi liphupho, I can't even remember ukuthi kodwa khona I know ngiphupha into very crucial ethinta impilo yami, but uyavuka ekuseni ukhohliwe blank. Mele wazi ukuthi traffickers of information bafikile bawuthatha ukhiye. Leyo nto siyakutshela ukuthi even in the world of the spirit you are vulnerable, kodwa uthi uyakholwa. So mele wazi ukuthi mangiyolala ngiyongena emhlabeni odangerous. That's why kubalekile ukuthi mawusuzongena before ulale thatha i-hour, for the first 10-15 minutes ureflecta kuma events osuku, uyabuka namabala uthi la ngibhimbile la, because usuku amarisha, you are amaring ukuyongena emhlabeni ongabona. So awukwazi ukungena haphazardly. angazi why ngikhuluma la. Yabona? So kumele ukwazi ukureflect osukwini, ubheke nezinto ongazenzanga kahle, ubheke nobudlabha bolimba lakho okhuluma ekuhlekwa kumnandi kanti umoya ongcwele uyamcunula ngalento oyishilo. Before you begin to pray. Then after that 10 minutes, 15 minutes of reflection, uyaqala uyazihlambulula. Ukuze mawuqala kufika ubuthongo ucisha la kwelenyama. Wazi ukuthi ngale kwekamoya asikho istain esinika amademoni isizathu to manipulate your life. Abazana abaningi baxhwala during the night belele. Because bazi ukuthi it's just sleep ngiyophumuza umzimba. Yes, part of it uyophumuza umzimba, but when you are a spirit awulali umzimba olalayo. When you are a spirit, you continue to travel, you continue to dwell kuma codings of the spirit. So you have to make sure ukuthi mawungena kulowo mhlaba ungena uclean, ayikho into ekumangalelayo. That is why iBhayibheli lithi alingashoni ilanga usenjani. Ngoba manje awukwazi uyongena emhlabeni wakamoya neanga. Uzothola ithikithi in the spirit because uphula umthetho womgwaqo welikamoya. Uzobuya nethikithi lokugula. Mina ngiyabaza abantu abalala bephila sakwavuka ehlanye ekhanda. And ngizokutshela sometimes akusiba abathakathi. Moya ongcwele Nkosi yami ngiyacela moya ongcwele. Ngiyangizwa bazalwane. Sometimes akusibo in abathakathi. Listen, yabo njengoba sigcwele la sine weight engafani in the spirit. Kunabantu abangazazi ukuthi they can connect so fast in the world of the spirit, but abakwazi lokho. Bawuma ibuthe ezweni lakamoya but akakwazi lokho. And abantu abadinga ukutshela ukuthi uyabona ngendlela okhandwe ngayo uyingozi. You have to make sure ukuthi mawuyongena emhlabeni wakamoya ungena uwaqhathululile amazeze, because uyashesha ukupick up izinto in the spirit. Uyocaphuna nezinto engacashunwa. Mighty name of Jesus. So be careful. You should have a spirit man. Yeah, umuntu wakamoya wena. So you must be careful how you handle yourself. Mina kunezinto engenza sure ukuthi angivali nje amehlo. Especially during the night. During the day anginankinga, but during the night hayi ngeke. Angiwavala amehlo ngingachekanga ukuthi indle yami yakamoya awulukho nolwembu olunga attracta unwelcome spirits.